Welcome to REMSA. Rail Construction Equipment wants to introduce our 872 GP motor grader, the John Deere motor grader up on high rail, as you can see. We're showing it today right now. We've already removed the blade from the actual motor grader to show you as a carrier. It's actually a tool carrier for just about many different options. Because it's a rotatable force here, we can actually have units that work off of each side of the track. It's a 6-wheel drive motor grader, operating at about 48,000 pounds. We have many options to go by, or models to go by. We have our 672, 772 also available. This one here is a Grade Pro, which means it's all electronically controlled. While operating on high rail, there's many options you can work with. It's already a standard motor grader. You can use it as a ballast regulator for snow removal. The nice option about this with snow removal is while you're clearing the snow, you do not have to find a siding to clear the track. If there's a train coming and they let you know about it, you can get off at any road crossing. It also gives you the advantage of cleaning up the road crossing after you clean the snow off the track. Options would be a utility tamper. You can hang a utility tamper off of the carrier itself and operate the thing. These are all interchangeable to maintain this one single carrier, where you can change the actual draft frame with all these different options on there. So this tool basically becomes, a multi-purpose tool. Our undercutter, you can hang our already proven undercutter off the side of one of the draft frames there in order to clear the mud out from under the ballast. Or we can even make a tie insert or something that will actually be able to remove and install new ties. Being on high rail again, or being the option of both things, if you have a small job in one area and you need to go up and basically remove ballast and replace the ties, all you have to do is bring the other tool with you. You can go in there and do the undercutting with this machine, come back, change the tool, go back over there, replace the ties, and then come back with our tamper and do the ballast regulating and bring the track back up. So basically one machine can do a complete tie removal process. This machine comes with fingertip controls. You can even steer the machine. This is only a redundant factor or used in case of emergencies, but when you're operating the machine, you don't even have to remove your hands from the controls. You have auxiliary options, so we can put multiple tools off of this thing right off of within the fingertip area for every option you want to do, as far as any application you need it to use for, you can do right off of your fingertip controls. You have an 8-speed transmission, forward and reverse, which means that this machine is capable of hitting in the speeds ranges of somewhere around 28 miles an hour, forward or reverse, as far as getting to the job site. It's a very fast machine. This also comes with what we call cross slope. So if you're going to do ballast regulating in a corner, you can actually set it up on the monitor to maintain, say, a 2-degree angle, which means that if I wanted to do a 2-degree angle, I can make this one my auto, and by using this one here, as I raise or lower the function, and I bring the thing up, whatever this side does, this side here will mirror my control and maintain the 2-degree slope going through the corner. If I make any kind of rotational change on it, the algorithms in the controller will actually recognize the difference and recalculate to figure out what maintains a 2-degree pitch. If the operator doesn't want to let it do automatically, he can just bring it in the monitor and actually see what the cross is, or the slope is, while he's operating it, and he can sit there and manually control it, but still maintain the degree angle that he wants. So as he's entering the corner, he can slowly go from a 0-degree pitch to a 2-degree pitch as he enters the corner, and same as when he enters. Tier 4 engine. This one here is the newest, latest creation by John Deere as far as the emission goes. It keeps up with all the emission standards for IT interim Tier 4. It also comes with a hydraulic-driven rear fan. It's a discharge fan off the back it's reversible. So if any debris collects on the inside shield or the outside shields as far as the intake air, you can reverse the fan and blow the debris off of the panels.